Hey guys, John Nake here with the Fillback Family of Dealerships. We're going to do our tech tip here on the Ford factory door codes, programming in another one. So of course you need the factory one to do it. What you're going to do is, there's a couple different ways to do it. You're going to go up to your door code here, see if I can get that to focus. Maybe, there we go. Bottom two, of course, will lock it up. You punch in your manufacturer's door code here, and then you press and hold one. As you notice, you heard the click on and off, that locked and unlocked. Now it's available to program in that new one. Once again, it does have to be that 5-digit code. You have to do it fairly quick after, otherwise you can come on inside here. We can start up the truck. We're gonna go to our settings tab here. So depending on the year of your vehicle and everything too, you can go to your settings tab. We can go to the vehicle tab here too. Let that come up, and if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, right there, door keypad code. So we go into that. It'll have you plug in the factory code. Once you plug that in, it'll have you plug in your new 5-digit code, and then it'll have you confirm it with again, and then it'll be saved in there. So there's your tech tip for you guys. You guys have a good one.